Before installation, you can use a small screwdriver to adjust the cutoff speed. Default is setting 3. A lower setting means a slower speed when the limiter is on. A higher setting means a higher speed. Usually the default is fine. Open the jet ski hatch. Open the access panel on the inside of the hatch. Install the JetskiBuddy unit somewhere stable inside the compartment using zip ties or screws. Disconnect the main throttle connector. Plug in the JetskiBuddy's bypass connectors directly into the main throttle connectors. Disconnect the red and brown plug and bypass them with JetskiBuddy's red and brown connector. Do the same thing with the black and white wired plug. The wiring is now complete. Ensure that the GPS antenna has the icon side facing upwards. There are a few possible installation locations for this, such as in front of the storage compartment. Plug the display connector into the JetskiBuddy. Check that the notches match and plug in firmly. Tighten the ring to waterproof the connection. Attach the display unit in an easily visible place somewhere on the dashboard. Close up the access panel. Close the hatch. Now you're ready to go.